This is not just a regular stew. This stew is meant to be made only for festive seasons only. And that's because it is different from what you used to know. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your perfect stew. Let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients you need to make your stew. Our ginger and garlic powder, our spices, which is our bay leaf, curry and thyme, our tomato paste, just 2 is enough, our cooking oil, and our our seasoning cube, our protein. I'm using cow legs, cow meat, fish and eggs, and our pepper mix. So this is the combination of the pepper mix you need. That is our tatache and shombo, that's the bell pepper and the chili pepper. Our tomato, I'm using a lot of tomato for this. I'm using 2 onions and two handful of pepper, depending on how spicy you want your food to be. And these are all the ingredients you need. So we're going to sprinkle a little bit of seasoning cube to our pepper mix, and also our cooking oil, a little bit of it, and then we're going to mix together. And then we're going to keep this in the oven and allow it to roast for some time. Mind you, I used the oven, but if you don't have oven at home, you can check on my channel. There's a way I taught people how to roast your pepper mix using the pot or the gas. So we're just going to add this inside our blender, and then we're going to blend this until it is very smooth. So in the pot, we're going to add our cooking oil. So part of this oil is what I used in frying my fish. We're going to add our tomato paste, and then we're going to allow it to fry for some seconds. I allowed it to sit between 1 to 2 minutes on a medium heat. Next step is to add our pepper mix. So we're going to mix this together. Mind you, for the fact that our pepper mix is already roasted, which is it is partially cooked, if not almost cooked, so we don't need to allow it to sit for a long time. So we're going to add our spice and our ingredients, which is our bay leaf, ginger and garlic powder, our curry and our thyme. Then we're going to mix again. Next is to add our boiled egg. I always like to add my boiled egg early on time so it can get cooked, like absorb the flavor. Next step is our seasoning cube. So we're also going to mix together. This is on fire for less than 2 minutes, and you can see how the pepper mix looks like. So after that, we're going to add our meats, fried meats, and also our cow legs. Add a little bit of oil to loosen it up, and then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. And after that, this is what we have. At this stage, I will always advise you to taste your food in order to adjust its seasoning, but for me this is perfect. So we're just going to mix together, and then I'm going to add my fish. Then mix again, and then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit between 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat. And after that, our stew is ready. Time for us to serve. So you want to guess what I paired this with? Most times your stew is perfect for almost everything, but it eats better and better when you taste it with rice and beans. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.